thank you for everything that you are doing. Because let's be honest, it is not easy being a law firm owner, a father, a friend, a spouse, or anything else that goes on the list. I mean, let's be honest, being a law firm owner is a full-time job. Being a father is a full-time job, plus everything else that goes on. So I just want to say thank you to all of you. All right, so this week we are celebrating Father's Day, and there are three things that I want to tell you. The first thing is to all of the fathers who are law firm owners, thank you for everything that you are doing. Because let's be honest, it is not easy being a law firm owner, a father, a friend, a spouse, or anything else that goes on the list. I mean, let's be honest, being a law firm owner is a full-time job. Being a father is a full-time job, plus everything else that goes on. So I just want to say thank you to all of you. And also the role that you play in your business you've probably noticed more than I have that there are some aspects of overlap between what you do as a father as being able to, take on the responsibility of what it means to be a father and a leader in your home and also being a leader in your business to where, yes, there are other people who are there to help you lead, but there's something unique about the role that you play in your business. Whether you are the CEO of the firm or whether you are the marketing or the sales lead, whatever role you play in your firm is that there are some responsibilities that come with it. And the same is whatever role you play in your family, at home, there are responsibilities that come with the role that you play, just as well as there are responsibilities for all the roles that everyone else plays. But this week, we want to say thank you to all of the fathers. Now, the second thing that I want to say is thank you to all of the law firms, especially those that are in estate planning, those that are in family law, personal injury. Many of those firms often serve those who are fathers. Let's take, for example, a personal injury law firm. Hey, I've heard so many stories of a father who was the sole income earner for their family and they ended up getting injured, and that law firm stepped in to represent them in the case to do the best that they can to make that person whole, which not only helped the individual client, but it helped their family, because there are so many different ways that law firms play a huge role in helping their clients. And because it's Father's Day this week, I wanted to talk about the amazing work that so many law firms are doing. I mean, time after time, I've talked to several of our clients where they were working really hard on a case of a father who wanted custody of their children. And in some of the cases, the situation didn't look the most favorable going in for their client, but they were able to work with their client. They were able to build out a case to make a case of why this was the right decision, and the court ruled in their favor. And I think it is amazing what so many law firms do to support their clients, especially, like I said, since it's Father's Day, we're highlighting the ones that do amazing work to really help fathers be able to make those decisions in life that are in the best interest of the role that they play in their family. And then the third thing that I want to talk about is all of us at some point in our lives have had an experience with a father or a father figure. And I just want to say, since it is Father's Day this week, we want to make sure that we express our appreciation and our gratitude. Now, I know there are many people I've met that didn't have the privilege of growing up with their father, or maybe their father passed away at an early age. But I do want to challenge you to think about who might be some of those other people that stepped in to be somewhat of a father figure, because we can also show gratitude for them as well. And as we begin to show gratitude for them, one of the things that I think we will begin to realize is that there is a small or large amount of investment that they poured into us and they poured into our lives. And it really is part of our overall story, to where if you put our story in a movie, you would see how their role impacted the overall story. And I think that it is an amazing thing for us to express gratitude. So to all the fathers who are law firm owners or any type of business owner, I just want to say happy Father's Day to you, because I know it is a full-time job being a father and being a business owner and whatever else you got going on in your life. And I want to say thank you to all the law firms out there that do great work in supporting fathers, every type of practice of law that do great things to support fathers out there. And I want to encourage everyone, if you've had a father in your life or a father figure in your life, is take a moment to express your gratitude and your appreciation. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of the Law Firm and Finance Show, where we give you great content that helps you build a more successful law firm. So make sure you hit that subscribe button on all platforms and follow us for more content.